What's up, guys? Here I have my Bulova Precisionist. It is just a good everyday watch. It's quartz movement, but highly accurate. I think the rating is plus or minus something like 10 seconds in a day, which is pretty good for a quartz watch. As you can tell, it's got a sweeping seconds hand, which is fairly unusual for a quartz watch. Black alligator leather strap. I believe it's embossed, but genuine leather on the inside. It has a reflective case back, not really reflective, but high polished. As you can see, it's quite scratched up. I wear this watch a lot. It has pretty large indices, and you can tell it's got like this almost camera lens, Oculus type finish to the dial, and high polished, lancet-like hours, second, and minute hands. It has pretty good lume, which I'll put in the video right now. Okay, so the case diameter measures in at 42.8. I guess you could round that up to 43. And with the crown, it's 46. As you can see, it has these little crown guards. Lug to lug, it measures in at almost the same, 47 millimeters lug to lug. And on my 6 3/4 inch wrist, which is roughly 17 centimeters and some change, it fits fairly nicely. It's a little large, but nothing that you would scoff at. There is a slight gap. There is a slight gap from the strap to the case. I mean, it's a $200 watch, so what can you expect? But the case has this nice step design. It's all highly polished, so you don't get a lot of different surface finishes on it. There's the buckle. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, this is just a quick overview of the Bulova Precisionist. It's a good everyday, dressy but everyday watch for someone who's looking for something that's not too showy. It's got, date, and that's pretty much the only complication it has. The lume is pretty good. It's not great, but like I said, this is a $200-something watch. That was when I bought it. You could probably get it a little bit less now. So, yeah, Bulova Precisionist.